Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, so what we're doing now is we got it running. I will also grounded out the connection for where the fan should kick on. I forgot what temp that's supposed to kick on at. However, we do got an HP tuner hooked up. We are up to looks like 176 degrees. So they probably kick on at like 180, 190 probably. So we're not too far away. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure. I will have to read this tune again. While I'm going to do the tune for the Cutlass, I'm also gonna buy credits for the C10 because there's some things that I saw in the tune that shouldn't be there, that I'm gonna change up. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for the fans. Waiting on the fans to kick on. Once I know that I have them, like, I mean, they've kicked on before, it's been a while, but once I know for sure that they wired up right, then I can go back, adjust them, and, you know, put them the way I want them to be. And go from there. I've seen Mr. Griffin, he put like some material like right down off in here, make sure that it was cooling efficiently. So I mean, I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing. But like I said, before I tighten them back down, I want to make sure that they're kicking on and they're wired up right. But I mean, it should be pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? They're grounded out there. The positive for both of them is wired in here, which is wired into this side of the relay. So when the computer sends the ground signal or the positive signal, then they should kick on. I think that's right. It's something like that. I feel like we should have been up to temp though by now. Yeah, so we're like 190. Still nothing on. Alright, let me cut the truck off. I'm gonna look in the tune. Yeah, see log file, save log file is C10 idle. C10 idle. Oh shit, okay, lost me. C10 idle. Alright, so that in the iron, well, see, damn, that's in the wrong folder. It's supposed to be. Alright. So we're gonna go over to the editor. We're going to close, and we are going to we're gonna read the vehicle. Gonna read the vehicle. Interface not found or not responding. come back over here. So yeah, just a word of I guess like a word of caution or a tip. If you got the scanner running, you have to disconnect the scanner. You have to disconnect the scanner. And apparently you're not supposed to try to read it with the truck or the vehicle running. What time lapse it is? So it only should take a minute or so. This is like living on the edge though, because reading this tune with the battery that was just having issues or like almost dead. Yeah, this is living life on the freaking edge. Probably like hard to try to see. So we got about 45 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Alright, so 18 seconds, 16, 15. And it's not like I haven't read this shit before. Boom. So we will go with the name of this tune to be March 2020. Yeah, March 2020 C10 tune. Alright, so now we should be able to look off into the system and look into the fan and see when. Oh, okay. The fans are not set to come on until 210 degrees. Why so high? So that's one thing I definitely want to change on this truck. I don't want it to get that high. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I mean, that's just one of those things. That's why you need to be able to tune or be able to. That's why I personally I don't want to have to go pay somebody $100 and something every time I want to change something like that on my thing. Like, say if I want to change the fans, or sometimes I want them on coming on sooner. Maybe I want them coming on later. I know I never want them coming on at 210. So. And now we know why it was taking so long, so we'll bring it back up here in a sec. Make sure they come up.